Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 gold and also oil, giving you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Make sure if you guys do want to learn how to trade successfully, you will join us here at Pure Structure Trading. We are offering a promotion right now, so make sure you guys check that out as well. Other than that though, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, you can see we did push up pretty high, getting to a bottom level of 42.8750. And you can see we got a little bit of a top level of 43.12. So a nice zone of resistance we should see right in this area here that may end up keeping us down. We'll see if that happens, but right now we are underneath that, had a nice angled double top there, and then we are pulling down. So want to see if we can get down to 42.4925, and then below that next level 42.3775. And then from there you can see right here at these 13 to about 24s, that was our target area earlier today for the open of the US session, climbing up for those 01s or 04s, I believe. That's where we kind of pushed up from. We had a nice double bottom and we kept climbing from there. So we had good opportunities on the long side. We did get past that level and get up into resistance. So we are looking for this to come right back down here, maybe get a bounce here at 49.25, and if not there, next level down going to be these 42.37. So we'll keep an eye out for that. Again, if we do get down into this zone here, we may end up finding some really solid support here. Maybe a nice double bottom there could get us some long opportunities from there. So we'll keep an eye out for that, but we'll continue to follow structure on the movements. Moving over into gold, let's take a look at what we got here on gold. So gold, we are trying to move up against resistance levels, touch that 1923.9 and came back down. Nice head and shoulders, you can see that formed right there, and pulled us down into our support area here, 1909.1. Now if we fail to get through, we may end up seeing these 15.1s hold that resistance and push us even deeper for a little bit of a wider head and shoulders here, holding that prior support down. Well, yeah, that prior support here, which was once resistance, holding that as resistance again could bring us deeper down here into 1894.6. So just keep an eye out for it as we draw into the London session. If we do hold, that's going to be the area we look for the short. If not, looking to get it back up into these 1923.9s, and if we can't get through, that's going to be our double top short right there, coming right back into the neck here. So keep that in mind as we draw into the London session for gold. For those who want the longs, again, 09.1, you can see a nice bounce, and then below that 1894.6, that's our next areas of support we'll see. So moving over into crude oil, let's take a look at what we got here on crude oil. So crude is bouncing off of a support, 94.57. May want to see this here return up into this area of 95.57, and if we fail to get through, that will be a short opportunity for us. Double top bringing us back into 94.57, and then below that 93.42 as the next area of support, and 92.41 as the levels down below. So you may end up looking for a bounce here, and if not, then we may get the support coming here at these 92.41s or 91.58, all the way down here where you can see we bottomed out here. So that was a nice area of support, so we may look out for those areas for the long opportunities. But right now, looking for that to return into 95.57 should get us a nice short to the downside. If not, next level up, 96.77 for a wider double top. You can see that being an opportunity there. Prior support turning into resistance, could potentially turn into resistance again, and if not there, coming right back into this prior peak that we had over here, which was a neckline of a double top we had over there, and could end up holding a nice resistance for a push right back down. So keeping those main levels on the charts as we draw into the London session, going to be very important to see where we go from the London session into the US session. So we'll keep these levels in mind as we are going to be trading for the London session. We'll see what happens. Other than that though, that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500 gold and also oil. Again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Other than that, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. You guys have a great night. Trade well. Take care.